Hey, this is Kathleen here in Arlington. It's a beautiful day, worth celebrating. So, why I have the mask? Is because there's a lot of faceless women in domestic violence. They call it now intimate partner violence. And I want to say that I'm also mourning the death of a marriage. I almost lost my life yesterday with a blood pressure of 70 over 40. The home health nurses came in to check on my father, his health work. And they were tending to me because I looked pale and really exhausted. But today, I can remove the mask and stand up and say, women out there, stand up against it. I took too many years, and I hope my husband gets the therapy he needs. But anyway, I live here in Arlington, and I'm taking care of my mom and father. And my mom is 83 today, so I can celebrate her birthday victoriously. And I really went and reviewed yesterday, Roxy. Go 1 million social cam followers. I'm pretty happy for you. But anyway, I'm getting my voice back too. So also find your voice and speak up against domestic violence, because you only live once, and I'm tired of it, and I want to live my life in celebration. So while I'm here,